Some people are complaining. They say my English sound too Nigerian. That I should stop faking a Nigerian accent. I mean, are they reasoning? Me, I've been speaking Nigerian English with my Nigerian partner for 18 years. 18 good years. We are speaking English together. And of course, you start to take on some of the pronunciation and some of the dialect of your partner. It's a normal thing. What do you want me to do? You want me to fake an English accent when I've only been to England for 2 days in my life? Because we don't speak English in my country. There's nobody to speak English to. And yes, I've been to the States for a year when I was 15. And there I got an American accent. But that was in 2001. Now it's 2026. There's 25 years in between of me being surrounded by Nigerians speaking Nigerian English. So if you have a problem with me speaking Nigerian English, I'm sorry for you. If you want, unfollow me. English is not my native language. Me, I speak Swiss German. That is my native language, and that is the language I speak every day without accent because it's my mother tongue. But since I'm speaking a foreign language, it's a normal thing to take on the accent of the people you're speaking it with, which is Nigerians for me.